In today's video, I'm going to teach you a practical and straightforward technique to enhance your design projects using Canva's guide and grid features. Let's dive right in and get started. First up, we'll access your Canva project. So open up your web browser and navigate to the Canva website. Once you're there, you want to log into your account and find the project you're currently working on, or initiate a new design if you're starting from scratch. It's vital to make sure you are on the editor page of Canva. This is where all the magic happens, where you'll have access to a myriad of tools and features that Canva offers to help make your designs pop. Now let's focus on our next step, adjusting some settings to reveal essential design tools. On the top menu, click on File. A drop-down menu will appear. You'll see several options here, but what we're interested in is Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Within the settings, you'll find a checkbox for Show Rulers and Guides. This is an absolute must for detailed, precise work, so let's make sure that box is checked. Next, still within the settings area, you're going to want to add some guides to your design interface. Click on the option Add Guides, and you will immediately be presented with several choices. Canva allows you to create all sorts of grids to suit your design needs. You can opt for a 12-column layout, which can be particularly useful for creating structured web or magazine layouts with plenty of detail. A 3-column guide might be ideal for more straightforward designs that require just a hint of symmetry. Should you want something more customized, Canva also gives you the flexibility to create a 3x3 grid or even design your own grid structure based on your unique project requirements. This is great if you have specific dimensions that you need to adhere to. Using grids is an excellent way to maintain balance and proportion in your design projects. However, while setting up these guides, remember that their primary purpose is to guide you, not bind you. Feel free to be creative and think outside the lines when necessary. Finally, with these settings in place, your design workspace is ready for you to start or continue turning your vision into reality. Remember, utilizing guides and grids effectively can dramatically enhance the professionalism and aesthetic appeal of your designs. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've set up your project workspace with grids and guides, providing you with the tools needed to create stunning and orderly designs. Now that your workspace is all set, you're free to design with precision and creativity. Thank you for watching and happy designing.